They say that Tiger Base don't collect 600k from Biafra youth where they catch for Obowo. No be small thing. They say that youth say son too much for inside the ingredient now. They say make they run enter inside you inside the river, make they go swim. Now so these people come there, come they make video, come carry them according to this video where we go show you now. They say that one of the victims where that thing happened to don't come outside, they can't talk. Go explain. Say after that video where we see, say they carry them go Tiger Base, and from there now so they collect 600k for their hand. Things are happening. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my wonderful people. If today the first time when you come across this channel, you are really welcome. We still there here. They bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. As it be now, based on the video wey trend some days ago, where you see youths lie down in the floor, they say, hey, they don't capture terror, they don't capture kidnapper, they don't capture this one. They say that youths are innocent people that went to the village stream to swim because of the hot weather. And on this place, the vigilante who called their vigilante of Obowo, created by Hope Uzodinma, now invaded them that place and start tagging them all sort of things. They selected the indigene from Obowo and take them to another location. Why take the ones that come from neighboring village and kept them, handed them over to Tiger Base? So I'm going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back, continue.
A very quick one, 2 days ago, ka anyị kwuru okwu ụmụaka gara egwu mmiri na Obowo, mmiri village ha na Obowo. Ndị local vigilante si na ha na-arụrụ Hope Uzodinma ọrụ around ụmụaka up, na ha wụ ndị oshi, na ha wụ ndị akwụna, na ha wụ ndị ọgwụ ike, na-eme ihe ndị dị iche iche ma mechaa ha ala n'akụkụ mmiri ebe ahụ, mechaa buru ha gaa Tiger Base. Dump ọhịa ya bụrụ na Tiger Base juru eju, eburuzie ha gawa state CID, dowe some na Tiger Base, dowe some na state CID. Then through the instrumentality of Protect the Weak International Foundation, we alerted the Commissioner of Police, who unavoidably was not present, you know, so he directed us to the DCP operations and the PPRO. So the DCP operations, the PPRO did their work perfectly. The Commissioner of Police did their work perfectly. But Eboro no she came wala ine kukwe here o Tiger Base. Eboro anokwa nyekwe nsogbu again wokwa Tiger Base. That the Commissioner of Police genye outright permission. In fact, outright instruction, outright order to release suspects. The Tiger Base anakpa hego. The Tiger Base are not ego. That there were 8 of them. There were 8 of them. Now Tiger Base was they were insisting again the first amount to happen and again ebe amount 1 million or 2 million. 2 million ka boost up. 2 million naira. Can the Tiger Base boost up on again before release those innocent young men, especially most of them which are underaged. Some people from Obowo, Tiger Base are Jewish. Before I conclude, the guy the 600,000 age release those guys on Obowo, so network when you call money and sobu. But this last one now, Pico, Obruna Okucha money and play call money now. I will also expatiate more so that you know what I have.
Annual for the attack, you may 200,000.
That's after 2 million. No, but that's 200,000. The police are Tiger Base are IPO
or the IPO to guy have the IPO. Okay. So onye jụrụ ihe with the officer, the commander behind. By then, the IP are not around.
The commander, Yawala.
Yes.
Okay, good.
So, after all said and done, the onions and mess have 400,000 for the 8 of them. Can we keep her because we can't name hanging arrest and here two mark on the age and the age.
I know.
So, I make it. I want the. What was the 400,000 and the IPO won here the roasting. Yeah, MZ arrived. I was there, so okay, see, I could. By then, that officer, that commander, he met us, okay, say, Ngwa, I get with 800,000, 100,000, each one of them. And no matter what, most of them, so several messing. Now, I help on her. Most of them self, like one of them, me and one PSF, as in I told him my help aside the small boy. Who made the hand? The thing that has never taken more. Even the SNO we are. I didn't answer. The thing as in the thing you would be too much. Ever chance, Kahapu Makanga. Ever threat another Paga. I tell you, Maka to court. I don't want to say, Umaka Ururi attached to court. How would the offense? Yes. When you are all after release here, another was release here. So, I make this so don't you say, at the first time you were with the chief who. Two chiefs, Yanaha, Sobia, and start Yamoto, Uriwela. More with the one other guy, 1 year of idea. So I am no either. They take it today on Saturday. We have Maka no idea since Monday. Today night making it 6 days. Hi. So I take your hand, the boy at bomb, Soki. I meet here the Austin. We are Soki. Na moga release Isrania can make say 600,000. Release Irania Hanine. Ya MHS bia kwega give me the commander. Give me the commander. Metal potasso ke sangwa bolaya to the 600,000 Mila one other boy no ga mini abo. The boy with 250,000. More check is with 350,000. More cash of money. Oh, more data with it go near in here the Austin. Okay. Here already the 600,000 naira by inside Metapota. What as you say, I near 20,000 naira. Okay, then to run the police no now because a bell where a station okay who can do Tiger Base him would have get here na state CID. So I'm taking we go 20 times because the little nigga can make on Kado Maka what I because in that place was in the scene almost now Maka says in my house if you go do Maka self. It's a easy.
Odemma, Biko, here the last lap of the call, Mona, the guy, Yana, 1 year woke, contribute to 600,000 naira kwa, maka nde vigilante hope uzo demma, gara burebe hana egwu mmiri n'Obowo. At the end of the day, umaka na zoro ha zoro, umaka na anyo ha anyo, ewere 600,000 naira na ano ha no. 600,000 naira ana achacho. Umaka aka ha di ocha, umaka na enwe hoshi ha zuru, umaka na enwe ha egbe butere, umaka na enwe nkokoro na tara n'aka, umaka na enwe ihe ana tara ha n'ahụ, umaka just ji igwu mmiri na anwụ. April 1st. Ndasra ha unde vigilante hope ụzọ dị meje buru ha. Kubu ha na Tiger Base now. Ebe fuele 600,000 naira just like that. We are demanding that Ola and his boys refund that 600,000 naira. We are demanding that Ola and his boys refund that 600,000 naira, or else I will sue her to court. We will sue them to court. What kind of intimidation is this? What kind of extortion is this? This is a purposeless extortion. This is a mindless extortion. This is a selfish extortion of innocent Igbo-lites, innocent youths of Igbo State. Has 600,000 naira. Now they are going to pay that money because under Akurugwa now must seek for refund. You know, it's like they have borrowed that money. Na village go. Ijele gwomini na village go. Okwa di ijele village also. Na village ki igu kure million. Abejide gidi iwo onyo shi iwo nya mi iwo onyo okuiko mi iwo nte iwo imo. E show to akupu 600,000 naira. This is extortion. This is extortion. I am calling upon the Commissioner of Police Imo State. Nafuta Ola and his boys say, we are giving 7 days. We will sue the Nigerian police. We will sue the Imo State Police Command. We will sue Tiger Base. This is getting out of hand. What kind of extortion is this? What kind of rubbish is this? What people, the wicked. Inata honye egbe. Inata honye mma. Inata honye oshishi. Inata honye nkoronkoro. Onwe he natara onya. Gain up 600,000. Because of what? 7 days. 7 days, that is all you want. 7 days and that is all you have.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be small thing, no. Shebi you don't hear them. Has it happen for inside that area? I beg you share this video because things they happen for inside Alibo and things they happen for inside Biafra land. Things are happening in Nigeria as we they talk. I don't know why a youth now are suspect. No be so now. If you call yourself professional of the work where they send you to do, then do your work according to your professional level and stop tagging anybody you see. I have been a victim of this kind of thing in Nigeria. That is why Nigeria is not for everybody. I will tell you the truth. So if it never happened to you, you're not going to understand. Not do anything, you know, play. You don't enter inside. Play. You don't pay money where you're not supposed to pay now. For Nigeria, that kind of thing, they happen. However, I don't be say don't be share the video and drop your own opinion, but the justice must be given to who it deserves to. This is the promise to any injustice, anybody where they feel say you get power because of the little power they give you. They use them for the city, they use them for the people. Love karma will catch you. You must pay. You see that gbese and I go pay am. Share this video, my people, and so it be.